Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Focus handbrake. First, park your car on a level surface and fully engage the handbrake. For safety, place chocks behind the wheels to prevent any movement. Next, locate the handbrake lever inside the cabin. Carefully remove the surrounding trim to expose the adjustment mechanism. This initial step is crucial for a safe and effective adjustment process. Once the trim is off, you should see the handbrake cable and an adjustment nut, typically at the base of the lever. This nut controls the tension of the handbrake cable. Depending on your Ford Focus model, you might need a 10mm or 13mm wrench or socket. Sometimes, a small protective cover might need to be gently pried off to reveal the nut completely. To tighten the handbrake, turn the adjustment nut clockwise. If you need to loosen it, turn it counterclockwise. Make very small adjustments, perhaps a quarter turn at a time. After each adjustment, release and re-engage the handbrake, checking how many clicks it takes to fully engage. A properly adjusted handbrake typically engages within 5 to 7 clicks. After adjusting, the handbrake should engage firmly within 5 to 7 clicks. It's important to ensure both rear wheels are locking evenly when the handbrake is applied. Once satisfied, carefully reattach the trim around the handbrake lever, making sure it's secure. Finally, perform a thorough test on a gentle incline to confirm the handbrake holds the vehicle safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.